Let's look first at the definition of a sphere. A sphere is the set of all points in space that are a given distance from a given point, and that given point is called the center. Now when you think of a sphere, you probably think of something like the basketball we have here. Well, how would you find the surface area, the area of the surface of a sphere? We're going to use this equation to help us find surface area. To find surface area, you're going to take 4 times pi times your radius squared. Let's take a look at an example. With the basketball that we have, we want to calculate the surface area of a basketball. Using the fact that surface area equals 4 times pi times r squared, let's find out what our surface area will be. To begin with, we need to find out what our radius is. We're given here a measure of 10 inches, and this would be our diameter. Our radius will be half of this, so our radius is going to be 5 inches. So let's go ahead and substitute the value of 5 in for r to help us find the surface area. The surface area then is going to be equal to 4 times pi, and I'll go ahead and substitute 3.14 in for the value of pi, times the radius, which we know is 5, squared. Continuing on with our simplifying, 5 squared has a value of 25. So now we need to multiply. 4 times 3.14 times 25. This will give us our surface area. Our surface area is going to be equal to 314. So we can conclude that the surface area of a basketball is about 314, and we are looking at inches in our measurement here, so our answer will be 314 square inches. It is about this because we did have to round off pi to 3.14, so our answer is a pretty close approximation. We've got another example here I want us to take a look at. Let's find the surface area of a globe. The globe has a radius of 9 inches. We'll start by substituting in 9 for our radius. We were given that the radius was 9 inches. So we know our surface area is going to be 4 times pi, which is 3.14, times our radius, which is 9, and we need to square the radius. Simplifying this, I'm going to go ahead and square 9 first. 9 squared, 9 times 9, is a value of 81. Now we want to multiply 4 times 3.14 times 81. I hope the answer that you got was 1017.36. From this we can conclude, remember we're looking at the surface area. So the surface area of our globe, and the answer that I hope you got when you were working through this, is going to be, and let's go ahead and approximate, and so we'll say it's about 1017, and once again we are working with inches, so we'll have 1017 square inches. That's a look at working with the surface area of a sphere. Work well.